Just a few minutes ago, I was sitting in the apartment trying to figure out what should I talk about in this vlog. I really want to make a vlog. I enjoy making vlogs, but what do I talk about? Because my reason for making vlogs is I love to make videos. I love to record my memories. I honestly watch my vlogs over and over and over again. Not because I'm like, oh man, I'm so cool, but because I like to live in those memories. But I noticed on some of my older ones, I always had something to talk about. And so I did what I do best, which is just turn on the camera and stare at it until something comes to my brain, because in that moment of me just staring in the camera, it's like, okay, you have to say something. Something will come up. Something will come into your brain. And that something was, do I look tired? Okay, I don't know how I feel about using my new tripod, my good one. It's like the pro one, so we're gonna pull it out. Oh boy. The old one. It's rainy, so I'm gonna use this super dirty jacket. Actually, no. I've got pajama pants. I'm gonna use the pajama pants to cover the camera so it doesn't get wet. Can you see this behind me? Wow. That is beautiful. The question, do I look tired, is probably the most common question that I ask people right now. Maybe I don't look tired at all, maybe I look super tired, but I feel tired. I feel really tired all of the time. I could blame that on work. I work 50 to 60 hours a week, plus 2 hours of driving every day. I could blame it on the lack of sleep that I've had. I could blame it on so many different things, but I don't like excuses. By excuses, I mean, I don't want to get to the end of the week and be like, wow, I didn't do anything, and have the reason that I didn't do anything because I just said, oh, I'm tired, I'll do it tomorrow. I hate that feeling. When I get to Saturday, Sunday, be like, ah, oh, man, I missed out, you know? I missed out. I didn't do what I wanted to do. So even though I'm always tired, I'm always on the lookout for something that I can do to follow my passion. Believe it or not, this is the camera. Oh, look at that stream going through there. Let's get some nice B-roll of that. Hold on. Look at where I'm at. Gorgeous. I love it. What was I talking about before? Oh, that's cool. Single droplet right there on the tip of my finger. That's so cool. It is important to make sure you are always following your craft, following your passion, doing something that makes you live. Love it up here. It's my favorite. And look at this view. Wow. My favorite part is that right up there. You can barely see it, right? You can barely see it. But that part where it just fades into the background, that is the best part. You know, once it focuses on the background, it's hard to get it to focus back on me. It's like my camera knows what I want to be looking at. It's great to be out here. I definitely do not spend enough time in the wilderness anymore. So I just barely got an ND filter for the first time. I've had ND filters before, but this is the first time for this camera, this lens. I'm excited. Oh, yes! I talked about this once in a vlog, that occasionally you need to stop, listen to the sounds around you, and I don't think I do that enough anymore. Right now I hear birds, the rain hitting all of this grass and dirt and hitting my hat. I hear the creek down below. Ah, that's it. That's it. Wow. I'm at a loss for words. Okay. I keep wanting to do montages, but I also just want to talk right now. So what I have to say right now is every step that I take and brush past all of these, I can feel more water on my pants. So that's a serious problem. Please, if anyone knows a brand, or a brand is watching this, that has pants that are waterproof and look like this, or something similar, please let me know. I used to be so unafraid of water and the like nature and stuff, but now I'm just like, I don't want to get wet. And so we need to fix that problem, as in not the problem of getting wet, because I just need to get over the fact that I'm getting wet, you know? Oh boy. I used to be able to do so many push-ups. Do not forget. Don't forget to be patient. Patient with yourself, patient with others, patient with the universe. Things may not always go the way that you are planning, and that's okay, because everything happens for a reason. So if you're struggling, just know that you're on a roller coaster. And what do roller coasters do? If they go down, they gotta come up. If they go up, they gotta come down. Everything will level out. Everything has its equal opposite. And so while I am very tired, perhaps my time is coming where I won't get tired at all, where I'll have so much energy to do all the things that I want. But I have to be okay with where I am now. Not only do I have to go through it one time and get my pants soaked, I have to go back because I gotta get the camera. It's okay. It's alright. I love the rain. And cut. That's a wrap, folks. This is awesome. Let's do it again soon.